Hello, bonjour, welcome to Cooking with Class. Today we're going to make something very simple. It's a falafel. Welcome to Cooking with Class recipes. My name is Eric Frodo. I'm a chef. I've been a chef for 30 years, so I've been cooking a lot. With my wife, we own a cooking school in Paris for 13, 14 years now. And we also hold cooking classes in Uzès and soon to come in Seville. On this series of cooking classes that we're going to put online for you guys, we're going to use a lot of fresh vegetables. It will be fantastic for you to cook for your family. Some of them will be easy and fast and quick for quick lunch, quick dinner. Some of them will be a little bit more complicated, more sophisticated maybe, more challenging for you, but that's also the purpose, is to get to be a better cook. After you've watched the video, something you don't understand, you can always come back to us. So we're going to provide to you some recipes, some footage, a lot of things to watch on the internet. Are you interested? Do you want to cook with us? Hello guys, nice to see you again. We are at Cooking with Class, as you know, and today we're going to make a falafel. The base of the falafel is germed lentils. We start with green lentils. What I did, I soaked them overnight in cold water, then I rinse them. I put them in a recipient like this with a wet towel on top for 48 hours. You see what happened? Just start growing some small little germs on it. And that's what we want, that's where the flavor is. You add them into your food processor or your blender. It's very simple. You don't add any liquid, nothing. You need like a batter kind of dry. What you're going to do is add a little bit of fresh shallots. And some herbs. Today we have dill. It could be fennel, slightly different in flavor but very close. Just roughly chop it so it's easier for the blender. There you go. And you blend until you will see the consistency we are looking for. It will take a few minutes. The smell is very strong. You can smell the shallots and all the herbs there. This is what you want. A little bit more. When you have the right consistency, you add black pepper and salt. You blend a few more seconds. And that's it. So now we have this kind of, I don't know, the consistency of a tabbouleh maybe, right? You can keep it overnight in the fridge. Don't forget it's fermented, so you don't want to wait too long. But when you're ready, you have a few shallots, a few leaves there for the degustation. And we're going to make quenelle like this and deep fry them in very hot oil. Could be peanut oil or sunflower, maybe grapeseed oil. So it will be deep fried, and you heat that with yogurt and a few of those leaves. All right. So now that you have your falafel done, we're just going to make, the small quenelle that you've learned before probably, and you deep fry them. You can put 2 or 3 at the same time. It depends on the size of your fryer, but don't put too much so they really get crispy. That's what you're looking for there. So as you can see, the oil is really hot. You want to create a crust on the outside and keep it a little soft in the middle. About 1 minute each, a little bit more. This is perfect, exactly the way you like it. Crunchy, but cook. And you can continue. You need 2 or 3 per person, no more than that. It's pretty, you fill you up very well. Of course, your yogurt is going to help. So we're going to season them a little bit more. Like everything usually deep fried, it's good to add a little bit of salt at the end. So this is Greek yogurt. You can make it yourself or not. And you add a few of those, as I said. Do it the way you like, the way you want. A little bit of the shallots that we had before. It's good to have a little bit of sharpness on it. A few of those dill leaves to remind the flavor, and a few leaves of parsley. Very simple. If you like, you can add a little bit of chili pepper on top to also give a different twist, and enjoy.